Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. Just a brief update. This is the chassis or the bottom pan of the 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle Sedan. In earlier videos we shared with you where we replaced the pans, we did all the media blasting on it, and then we were ready to do the epoxy. So now we have the whole chassis epoxied now. So this has 3 coats of an epoxy sealer. So we've basically started right from the rear of the suspension where the transmission gets bolted up all the way to the front frame head, and so now it's really well protected with 3 nice coats, and it has kind of a more of a satin black kind of finish to it. And then what we're going to do next is along these seams where the floor pan meets the tunnel, we're going to apply a commercial grade seam sealer to all of the seams, and then we'll do a commercial grade rocker guard to protect the bottom side, and then once we do that, then we'll be ready to continue on with the build. So if the camera person can follow us around the other side, so not only do we do the whole bottom of the chassis, but also we've got the whole top too. So you can see the front frame head I mentioned in earlier videos. This one's in very nice condition. Typically on the Super Beetles, they tend to rust out at the joint here and in the round part where the extension is of the frame head, and this is in very nice shape. So after it was all media blasted, it was bare metal and nice and clean, and now it's going to be years and years of protection with this 2-part epoxy. This is just showing a little bit of dust that's on the chassis itself, but you can see, same as the other side, we've gone very, very thoroughly through all the nooks and crannies to make sure that everything is protected with the 2-part epoxy sealer, and progress is continuing. So this is the 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.